Hello everyone. So today I am going to discuss about the government program, the new government program for tribal people, which is called as GOAL. What is GOAL? Going online as leaders. Going online as leaders. Who? The tribal people. So recently Government of India had a memorandum of understanding with the Facebook. So with the Facebook, with collaboration with the Facebook, the Government of India, mainly the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, came up with a scheme called as GOAL. Going online as leaders. What is this? Simple. So in tribal areas, the youth who have aspirations will be called as mentees. For every 2 mentees, 1 mentor will be selected, and that mentor will be given with the 2 mentees, and he will be guiding with respect to their dreams. If they want to become an IAS officer, then this mentor will be guiding them how to become an IAS officer. How? Through the platform of internet. Through the platform of internet. Who is going to provide the platform of internet? The Facebook is going to provide the platform of internet. The GOAL, going online as leaders, program of Ministry of Tribal Affairs, has been launched in partnership with the social networking giant Facebook. The GOAL program is designed to provide mentorship to tribal youth through digital mode. The digitally enabled person envisaged to act as a catalyst to explore hidden talents of the tribal youth, which will help in their personal development as well as contribute to all-round upliftment of their society. So, for their development, this program will be used for the development of the tribes. By the development of this individual, the development of the society, that is called as the GOAL. In this program, 5,000 ST youth to be called as mentees will get an excellent opportunity to get training by experts is from different disciplines according to their wish, and those people will be called as mentors. For every 1 mentor, there will be 2 mentees. There will be 1 mentor for 2 mentees. The program aims to establish or enable scheduled tribes youth in remote areas to use digital platform for sharing their aspirations, their dreams, their targets, talent with their mentors. The IT-based system is designed to match mentors and mentees so that they are from similar profession and preferably speak same language, so that there will be proper association. If the person is from Gondi language and another person is from English language, what association they can have? So this program, they will choose the individuals with respect to the background of the ST, the background of the tribal youth. So he can understand the conversation. In that way, the selection will be happening in this particular platform, and the platform is provided by the Facebook. That is the GOAL, the tribal program. The program will focus on 3 core areas: digital literacy, life skills, how to get the employment, how the livelihood should be there. Life skills will be provided, digital literacy will be provided, leadership and entrepreneurship, that skills will be provided. So digital literacy, life skills, as well as leadership and entrepreneurship skills. And on sectors such as agriculture, art and culture, handicrafts and textiles, health and nutrition, among others, they will be provided enough knowledge so that they themselves can have self-employment, they themselves can develop without anyone's help, independent development. That is the major motto of GOALs, targeting scheduled tribe youth. That is the program of GOAL. All the selected mentees will be provided with the smartphones and internet access for 1 year by Facebook, along with exposure to various external forums that will give opportunity to the participants to showcase their entrepreneurial skills and leadership abilities. So they will be provided with smartphones, they will be provided internet, so that their skills they can showcase. For that particular purpose, the GOAL will be used. Efforts will be made to integrate the program with other government schemes such as Mudra Yojana, Kausal Vikas Yojana, Janadhan Yojana, Skilled India, Startup India, Stand Up India, so that the integration will happen, so that they can have some business opportunities, they can get loan, they can get required skill. So integration is also possibility is there in the GOAL program. So this is about GOAL. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.